Someone's knocking at the door. Who could it be? Is it Roxy? Girlfriend? Is the cat food bowl empty again? Because you've been stealing it? What are you doing? It's hilarious. This raccoon, who I've named Roxy, spelled R-O-C-K-S-Y, steals the cat food, and when the bowl's empty, she gets a rock and knocks on my door. And it's scratched all the way across here. I can't get it off. What are you doing? Are you the cutest thing in the world? What do you think of that, Rascal, huh? This is my little Rascal. What do you think, Rascal, huh? This raccoon cracks me up. And she's nursing. See, she's got little nipples there. She has her babies just outside my yard. And I just want people to know that raccoons are wonderful. And just because you see a raccoon out in the day does not mean it has rabies. That is such a myth. Usually it's a nursing mother raccoon who is out trying to get food for her babies. They stay in the den at night so the predators don't get their babies. But in the day they go foraging for food and steal cat food like Roxy. What you doing, girlfriend? I love her so much. Oh my God, she's so funny. She does this all the time. What do you think of that, Rascal, huh? Oh, I love you, girlfriend. She's so good at it, too. She holds it in her paws, makes so much noise. Knock, knock. Who's there? It's Roxy the raccoon. Love you, girlfriend.